Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and they were asking how to break the curve apart. And I don't totally understand, but there are some problems with this file. If you look at this gentleman's coat and this lady's underarm, they're two different colors and there's actually a line between them. One way you can look at things is, well, one, you can grab it and go up to view and wireframe. And then you can see that gentleman's coat and that blob and that part on his knee and another knee. So just depending on what you want to do, if you needed to cut this out, you could very easily eliminate those with the virtual segment delete key. But I'm not thinking he wants to cut these out, so you wouldn't really have to do that. Whoop. You'd have to do it in small sections and not make sure you don't get the leg. And that's remedy. And then you could fill that in with whatever color you want. So let's go back to where it was. And another quicker, easier way would be to go back and let's look at it in review and enhanced. And you can see that patch on the gentleman's knee. It's different colors. So what I'm going to do, the only other color that's in there is this orange. And I'm going to go up to Object and Group and ungroup it. And if there was a lot of these and they're all over the page, then I would use Find and Replace and find that color. But I'm just going to take my chance to try to select all that orange. First of all, I need to set my nudge factor on like 3 inches. Find all the orange and move it down. Now you see I got a little bit of black, but I can move it up. It's not that big a deal. Then I would want and Control G and group that, and at that time you could make that any color you wanted. We'll leave it that orange. But that didn't fix our problem. Let's look at our problem right here. So what you could do then, you've got everything broken apart. Matter of fact, we'll even break it apart more. Go to Object, Order. Well, it's pretty much broken apart. Select everything and right-click Pure Black, or left-click Pure Black. Now we got it all the same color, but there's still a slight line. I don't know if you can see that on your monitor, but there's a line right there. What you really have to do then is to take this and combine it. Make sure you get it all. And go up to Object and Combine. Now, that jacket is black. The only thing I see when I look at stuff like this, I see a little node right there. There's some trash right there. There's actually a little bit of trash right there. Break the curve apart and you lose some of that detail, I think. But then you could get rid of that trash. And I don't know what really changed in the picture by breaking the curve apart. Yeah, we lost some detail of white, which is really, I think, blank and transparent. So let's don't do that to get rid of that. Just be aware whenever you see that type of stuff. You know, you could, there you go. We could just select it and hit delete. Now those lines are still there, but you can't see them if you take the shape tool and grab that part of his knee and the part of the vest are there, but you can't really tell it. And then just select those back and just nudge them right back. And let's just look at it, see if those whites are really transparent. I'm going to make a yellow box and put it to the back of page. And you can see that it's a great file. This is all transparent, but if you remember that gentleman's shoulder, now it's 100% black and looks good. That's a pretty cool file. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.